back to RC camping and crawling. Here we are, up on top of this mountain again. Got a little bit of sun shining through. Some fresh snow, maybe an inch and a half or so. And we're going to try out the Land Rover Defender with the track kit again. Just taking it for another drive. I've done a few modifications to help the tracks turn better. So today I'm just going to go and take it the same route I did last time, the last couple of videos. We go kind of down this hill here, through this little valley, and out the other side. I'll be back. So, alright, fortunately I'm going to stop the video right there. There's the change of plans. My original plan was to drive down this hill, up to the top, get some footage, turn around, come back. However, the first battery pack already died by here. I suspect it's because of the deep snow and steepness, so this route's not going to work. I'll try taking this second route. The snow's a little less steep, it's also not quite as steep, so I think this will save the battery life. However, I'll still need a battery plan. For the battery plan, I'm going to not just bring one battery, not two batteries, not three batteries, but 4 Traxxas batteries. Plus, just to be safe, I'll bring the Traxxas battery charger. That way I can charge on the go using just a simple lithium-ion battery pack. So I'll keep the video going from here, but I just wanted to let everybody know the plan and just so you can understand why I was charging the battery so often during this trip. Anyways, enjoy the video. A little bit windy, so hopefully the microphone works out, but anyways, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. We'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, so I've made it from up there. You can see the little tracks all the way through this little valley here. And normally I'd come up to where I'm standing now, but instead I'm going to go around this little hill. You can see the truck down there. I'll drive it through this little valley thing, past the tree, and up to the top of that mountain. A little better view up there, plus the lighting's kind of cool. Boy, this thing's eating batteries. We've gone through a battery between there and there. So I suspect that battery was bad, but we're so close to the top now. So gotta keep going. New battery pack, got a couple more. Okay, so this is the 4th battery pack now. I think a couple of mine are bad or maybe failing because it's cold out. Luckily I brought this little portable charger thing, so I can actually charge up the batteries as I go. So the 2 good batteries, this being one of them, are actually charging as I film. So I got a new one in there now. I think with this one charging, and hopefully that one lasts a bit, we should be able to make it to the top of this hill. If we do, that'll be awesome. So that's the goal. Try to make it up there in this video. So let's get after it. It died already. I think the cold is taking out the little batteries. It doesn't feel that cold, but as you can tell from my sniffling, it's supposed to be, it's apparently -4 or 5 with the wind chill, which isn't that bad, but must be enough to take the batteries out. So, some doggos here. Sorry, I got interrupted there. I think I'll just hike up here to the top of this. By then, the other battery should be charged. And yeah, I can at least drive down here where these little dog prints are. It'll look kind of cool. So, yeah, let's start walking. But this is the challenge line. Just covered in a bit of snow. We're again over here. Here's that really steep section I try to crawl. Can't crawl that now. Got the truck up there. Just waiting for the other battery to charge from my backpack, but at least we're up here. Pretty nice day. And I'll just bomb straight down here afterwards, get some cool shots. That'll be it. Last battery. So whatever footage we get now is all the footage we'll get for today. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to like and subscribe. Super appreciate that. Keeps me going, like I said. If not, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you in the next one.